Poor Minko out in the hurricane. Huh? He was very distressed today. He was very distressed today. He cried all morning. It was so sad. Didn't lose any trees out back. Tried to capture how bad things are on one little video. But my front door is barely hanging in there. I'm surprised it hadn't broke. There you go, Mink. What are you doing? Huh? He's very curious and unsettled. What's going on? What happened? I know it. You were upset this morning, weren't you? Oh, you were very upset. You were very upset. I don't think he's ever been through a hurricane because he was upset. Sandy? Okay.